And we're rolling. So, who are you and what is your company?
My name is Jonathan Nostrant. I'm the CEO and founder of Ivee, and Ivee is a product. It's a device that you talk to, it talks back to you, and it controls other connected devices and gets you information over the internet.
What hurdles have you overcome to get where you are today?
Hurdles have been everything from learning just how to get into business, learning how to build a team, learning how to bootstrap, to accomplish goals and work on a very tight budget. So we've successfully accomplished all those, and we've actually gotten our product to market through mass retail channels.
And what has tripped you up?
Tripped us up. That's a good question.
It could be a hurdle that you didn't make it over that could have caused a pivot of some sort.
There's been a lot of technical hurdles that we've had to overcome in terms of getting a device that you can speak to at a distance, to listen to you, and then to actually talk back to you. So not having a technical background, learning how to build something that can accomplish that, get that to market so people are actually using it, has been definitely a hurdle that we've had to learn and accomplish as a team.
What resources have you found to be most useful?
USC, my college that I went to, was a great resource in terms of getting a bank loan to get started, an SBA loan. Parents, Dad has been selling to retail channels for many years, so he's been a great resource. We've been fortunate enough to get some great advisors and some good strategic investors on our team that are involved with like Apple and Siri, so we've learned how to more about the technology and natural language and understanding and how we can use that for our product.
Which abyss are you standing at the edge of right now?
I think we're standing at the abyss of about to raise our first round. We've successfully showed that we can ship product and get product to market. We've built a team, and we're right now at a point where we need to scale. And so we're right at that point where we're about to open our first strategic round of financing.
Why are you an entrepreneur?
It's been a passion of mine since I was a little kid. Started businesses when I was 13. It's a DJ company, and just since then I've always dreamed of what I would do next. And so being an entrepreneur was just kind of, I feel like it's in my blood a little bit. My dad was an entrepreneur. I grew up around it, and a lot of family was entrepreneurs, and so never saw myself working in a cubicle for a big major company, and always saw myself out there being really hands-on with the product and developing the relationships with the customers and trying to do something that's impactful and meaningful to the world.
So why are you in this business?
Consumer electronics has just always been a passion. Built computers since I was a little kid, always loved technology, always loved gadgets. This is just seeing an opportunity arise of voice recognition and an opportunity to bring that into the home is really cool. And so we're very excited about what we're doing, and that's what keeps us going and keep the passion alive.
Why do your customers love you?
So our direct customers are mass retailers, but we basically sell through these channels to get to the end users. So our end users love us, we believe, because we provide a simpler, easier solution than having to use your phone or just connecting with other devices. So Ivee is basically a great device that allows you to simply and easily communicate with other connected devices in the home. So it just makes it an easier, simpler experience. So I'd say all-encompassing user experience is our number one thing why customers love us.
What inspires you to keep going?
The passion of all those things we talked about before, loving electronics and wanting to do something impactful and meaningful. It's getting the emails from the people that we're changing their lives. I mean, we have disabled veterans that are writing us emails saying how much Ivee has affected their life and how now they can just talk to our product and have it turn on their lights or change the thermostat, lock their doors. Someone who's blind, can never even dream of using a smartphone. I mean, our product really opens up a gateway into the internet. And so that's getting those emails are really inspiring and gives us the drive to keep moving forward.
And who inspires you?
In terms of like mentors and people, I think our advisors inspire us, the investors on our team, the people who have had other success stories in the space, Tony Fadell at Nest, Steve Jobs, these kind of guys in the hardware space who've made a successful product and done something that's very impactful and meaningful to the world.
That's it.
All right.
Awesome.
Is that good?
That's very good.
All right.
Where in LA are you?
Living